Hey folks, this is Manuel from Steadybit. In today's video, I want to cover a newly added observability integration that we have just added to the Steadybit Reliability Hub. We are now integrating with AppDynamics so that you can not only check what's happening to your system whenever you're injecting turbulent conditions, but also checking whenever your application isn't working anymore, whether AppDynamics is actually catching that. Jumping into the AppDynamics extension, I can see the capabilities of the AppDynamics integration. We're automatically discovering all your AppDynamics health rules and applications and allowing you to check for health rule violations in an experiment. On top of that, we also send all events related to your experiment executions to AppDynamics so that you have the full context in your observability tool. Let me show you how that looks like in action. Jumping over into the Steadybit platform, I can head into the Explorer to actually see all the discovered AppDynamics health rules and applications, and I can now use those in an experiment to actually validate the state of the health rules. To get you started as easy as possible, we have an experiment template that you can just use in the Steadybit platform, and then you're guided step by step via our wizard to create this experiment in the right manner. Once I've completed the experiment template wizard, I can create a new experiment based on this template, and I can easily run this experiment right away. I've already executed this experiment in the past and can now check out the past experiment run. And you can see in this particular run, in the beginning, the health rule wasn't in a violated state, exactly as expected. So all good over here. Once I've injected the crash loop in one of the Kubernetes pods, I was expecting that the health rule is turning into a violated state, which wasn't the case, and thus the experiment failed. I can also check the health rule violation state in Steadybit directly and jump from here into the health rule in AppDynamics to actually reconfigure the rule and rerun the experiment right away. Also, we are sending all the events for experiment runs to AppDynamics so that you have always the full context in AppDynamics. So whenever you are an AppDynamics user, make sure to install the AppDynamics extension in your system by simply following the installation instructions, which are part of our GitHub repository. Thanks for watching and take care.